I don't get fixed up for this channel like I do for my other channel. So as some of you know, I have a knitting club over on my other channel. I do a clothing design channel. So I do those clubs on Sundays, and I'm learning how to use Google Hangouts, but I'm getting better. I've learned a lot so far. How's that? So the question answer, okay, the question answer is on, how did that work here? Now I believe those of you watching can ask questions. Let me see. Question answer. It says, oh, it's disabled. Hold on. I got to turn it on. Okay, I've turned on the question answer. So you, the viewer, if you want to ask a question, problem is I don't know where I see the question. I know how to, like if I'm the viewer, you the viewer, if you want to ask me a question, you go to the top right. If you're in Google Hangouts, go to the top right of the screen and you'll see like some square boxes. It's like a box, and then inside it's all little square boxes. So click on that. And then you have the choice of showcase or questions. So you select questions and then you ask your question. Now my problem is I don't know where I see. Where do I see those questions? I think I have to leave my screen. And that's what I wanted to avoid. I wanted to be able to be on the same screen where so I can see myself. Well, I'm looking at that and I should be looking this way. And that's what I don't understand, where the questions. So if whoever's watching, I think right now nobody's watching, so that doesn't help me. But if a viewer would at some point ask me a question, that would be very helpful. So feel free to pop on in. I think I don't have my showcase on, do I? Let me see. Showcase, loading the showcase. Okay, there it is. Now I need to put, I want to take this one out. I think, so for example, if I want to put in my showcase something that I want my viewers to click on, for example, I want them to visit that's what I'll do. I'll put my clothing design channel in the showcase right now. So I go to my page, which of course I'm not logged into that one, but I can still go to my page. And let me just enter I'm going to enter it here. It's called Fettuccine Tube is the name of my knitting, sewing, clothing design channel. And I have a blog as well. So here's my page. All right. So what I'm going to do is put my page in the showcase. Okay, let me just stop that. Okay, stop. One of my videos I should change that. One of my videos automatically plays when I go to my. So I copy the URL of my whatever I want to put in the showcase. Then can you all see me? I'm sorry. I should probably be filming what I'm doing, but I might have to do a separate video for that. Okay. Go back to the Google Hangout screen. That's where I am here. And then, okay, showcase. Add an item from a website. That's what I'm seeing. Run the risk of you seeing my messy room, but see right here, right up here is where I'm going to put the URL of what I want in my showcase, right up there. So My URL is, I hope you can see that without seeing my messy room. I have to clean my room today. I'm looking for whatever excuse not to, not to do the cleaning. I got to hang up all these clothes. When I come home from work, let me see, Control V. There it is. When I come home from work during the week, I just, see, and there's my, well, that one I'm going to get rid of. And there's what I just added. That's my page. It automatically adds. And then if I want to show the item to my viewers, I go down here and I click Show Item. Whoops, right there. So I'm clicking the check mark. So my viewers can see that. They cannot see this one because I unclicked that one and it saves automatically. And they can see the top one. Whoops. It's hard. I'm holding the camera. But so you just have to click the brother. Is that on? Okay. So that's how you do that. My hair. So from your end, what you should be able to see right now is what I just posted, which is my sewing channel. It's a picture of me with my niece, and then a link to my channel where I teach clothing design. And you can see my Ramble Scramble YouTube channel, which is, you know, the link to that, which is nothing. I don't have videos up on there. These Hangouts post on there, though. But I usually set them to private because they're usually just me doing a bunch of silly things like learning. So now I'm going to uncheck that one as well. And you can delete them. Let's say you have too many things in your showcase, you can delete them. So from my end, I see everything, but from your end, supposedly you should only be able to see my link to my clothing design channel. Okay, so that's that. And I also have the question answer activated, which is over here. Oh, where is it? Wait, it's backwards. Hold on. So on this side of the screen, see when I do that, is that showing? Oh, goodness. On this side of the screen, see, okay, when I take the cursor away, that goes inside, that sort of sidebar. And when I put the cursor, I'm confusing myself because I'm looking at the same thing backwards to what I'm doing. I put the cursor, do you see how that appeared? Ah, it's going, oh gosh. See how that sidebar appears? When I pull the mouse away, it disappears. I'll pull the mouse away. And it disappears again. See, on that sidebar, it's too difficult for me to show you again. You know, I'm holding the camera and trying to run the thing backwards. On that sidebar, you able or disable the question answer, the showcase, the, what are the other options? The cameraman, like you can give other people control of your, let's say you have a partner, you have a Google Hangout that you have a partner that you both like to do the Google Hangouts together. You can give control to one of your viewers or one of your members who's joined the Hangout. So that's another one of the options. Control, or you both have control. You know, like if you want a moderator, let's say you have a Google Hangout that becomes very popular and it's hard for you to talk and moderate. So you might have one of the people also able to moderate. YouTube, which is you could post a YouTube channel, control panel. You know, you should start a Google Hangout and fiddle with those features. And now I also have activated supposedly I have the chat activated, but that's what I don't understand. The only people that I've ever been able to chat with in Google Hangouts are people who are actually on camera with me, you know, that I've invited. And so that chat is not a public chat. It's a private chat just for the people inside that have been invited to your chat. Hang on a second. There's my father. I'll be right back. Yes.